How often should I update my estate plan? Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. This is a question we hear all the time, and it's how often should I, review and update my estate plan? There are some typical opportunities that we suggest to our clients that they take a look at their plan, and we're going to kind of summarize three of those today. Point one is when you have life events that are substantial. Okay, so a marriage or a divorce or a separation. We talked about separations in a previous video. We'll have that link in the comments below. But that would trigger a review of your estate plan, the birth of a child or a grandchild, the death of a spouse or a beneficiary or an executor, sometimes moving to a different state. Now, I don't always think that that's terribly necessary because most estate planning documents comply in general across the board. But, for peace of mind, you may want to review your plan with a attorney in the state in which you've moved to. Or if you've had some significant change in your assets, you've acquired a business, for instance, or you've had a large inheritance. Number two, you should have regular check-ins just as a matter of routine. Even if there are no big life changes, you should review the plan every 3 to 5 years because the laws can change, not so much for, say, your wills and your trusts, but oftentimes for the power of attorney and healthcare directives. Those things change fairly frequently. And you want to make sure to keep your documents up to date and aligned with your current wishes and circumstances. Uh, Lastly, you want to mitigate the chance of your documents getting stale. In other words, maybe it's been overcome by events, your executors or guardians have moved away or passed on, or some tax strategy that was applied previously is no longer applicable. Happens when we change administrations, sadly. Or you want to make sure that your beneficiary statements aren't mismatched with respect to your retirement account. So don't want you to treat your estate plan as a one and done opportunity. We want to keep it up to date. And so these are the key periods when you should be looking at the plan and seeing if it needs updated. If you'd like help reviewing your plan or updating your plan, our contact information is at the end of this video. We'd love to have the chance to chat with you. Again, my name is Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.